Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Samuel Okoye. Our time now is 2:19 p.m. in Biafra, West Africa. I want to bring you crypto analysis for the week. I was supposed to do this yesterday, but I could not, due to some circumstances. I could not, my network connection got some problems, so I cannot do much I could do. Secondly, I'm in my village for the past 5 days for my uncle's funeral. You know, in Africa, the way we make funeral takes some time and some protocols. So those who have been waiting for this analysis, please bear with me. Okay, let's move. Bitcoin, I want to do cryptos. After that, stocks and indices, then Forex will come last. Because I found out that my videos, the people that watch my videos more are crypto traders. Okay, so let me give them a bit of making crypto the first and probably in a separate manner. Okay, so Bitcoin, and as a matter of fact, there's not too much to make about cryptos these days, but only tell you what is happening. You see this journey we started. This journey we started on crypto. We are going very far. We are going very far, very, very far. The area we are going on Bitcoin, our next destination of Bitcoin is 110,000 or thereabout. This is where we are going on Bitcoin. So if you don't have Bitcoin, please try to buy Bitcoin. See, whenever the price breaks this level, whenever the price breaks 60,000 level, we are going to 100,000 and above. So that's the fact about Bitcoin this time around. That is the fact about Bitcoin. And that's the only thing I can tell you about Bitcoin. And having said this, it doesn't rule out the fact that Bitcoin can still go down. But let's look at a look at 4 hours chart. Bitcoin can stay correct. You know, you may have a kind of running flat. Yeah, even if why I'm saying this is that the analysis I make is the longer term analysis. Okay, so even if you see Bitcoin drop to this level, even if Bitcoin drop to this level, it doesn't matter. It does not matter because from here again we are going back, we are going up. You know, this move is somehow corrective. This can be an A, B, C, B, then C, and we move. So if Bitcoin, if you see Bitcoin going down, do not panic, because after going down, what will happen? It will continue to go up. So I want to just give you this as a clue, so that when you buy Bitcoin, you will not say that I said it will go up and it's going down. Market doesn't move in a straight line, so you're supposed to have known this by now. So what we do is that we keep watching if it drops. If you're trading Bitcoin on margin, then don't use big margin. I mean, don't use big loss size unless you are of the opinion that your stop loss will be here. If you cannot place your stop loss here, don't trade on margin, or you may use the very smaller size. Then, if you are trading on margin, if it drops, you have more confidence to buy it from here and target here before we proceed to 100,000 and above. So that's all I can tell you about Bitcoin for now. So we move to next coin we have here, Ethereum. Ethereum is equally going up, like with all the coins are going up. All the coins are going up. So I will only be showing you levels we are targeting to get to. That's the only thing why I'm showing you all these charts. On Ethereum, we target the current high, which we have already gotten to it. So almost, almost at that level. So what are we looking at? What are our next target? Our main target on Ethereum is 800. Sorry, 8,000. This is where our target is. This 8,000. One, it can happen so fast. Two, it can tally. It can happen so fast. But why I'm showing you all this, this is a long term where we are looking at. You know, when Ethereum was here, some may not believe that Ethereum will go to 4,000, 4,400. So, and if you are a pessimist, maybe you may forget about trading, because you will always be at the receiving end. You will always watch the market. The profit you would have made, you watch it. It will just others will be making the profit, and you will not, because you are a pessimist. So I will advise you. I will advise you to buy Ethereum. If you don't have any other coin, don't fail to buy Ethereum. Don't fail to buy BNB. These two coins, don't joke with them. Third one is ADA, ADA. If you don't have any coin, try to have ADA. Bitcoin, sorry, Ethereum, BNB. So it's good we tell you where we are going. First, we're going back to 4,400. We're almost there. Then the next is 8,000. Now, what do I mean by that? After 4,400, we might get to 6,000. Then something like this might happen. And after that, we push to 8,000. So be watchful on that. Just know we are buying on Ethereum, Ripple. Ripple is gradually waking up from its number. Let me show something on Ripple. Let me go to 4 hours right away. I want this video to be a kind of, maybe I want it to be around 15 minutes or thereabouts, if possible, because I have many to analyze. So Ripple's this is a complete structure. Sorry, I couldn't label all this. I don't have time to do that. But this is A, B, C. So this correction is over, and this is 1. This is 2. Okay, let me just do something very quickly. On Ripples. We know our immediate, our next immediate target on Ripples. So this is where we are heading to. We are heading to where 1.5, 1.55 or thereabouts. This is where we are heading to our Ripple. This area is where we are heading to. Let me put a blue box there. We are heading to this level, our Ripples. repo. So repo, we know repo have challenges anyway, but if you don't have repo, if you don't have a repo, you buy repo and be patient, because people will be a coin that will behave like BNB when nobody expects it to happen. So I'm just sharing with you so that you have benefit of watching my video. Don't just watch it every week and you do nothing. My analysis is good enough to make you rich. If you have the money to invest without fear. Because I know that almost all accredited in the past almost happened almost the way I said it will. So why would you pick the courage to follow my analysis and invest? If you don't have money to invest, it's a different ball game. But if you have the money to invest, fear will not help you. Okay, now where are we going from here? Let me show you. Two things. We have two things here. Possibility, we have another leg down, which may not go below below 420. Then here is our next move. Here is our next move. So our next move will be this area. This price zone will be our next move. So BNB is going to $1,000. It may happen fast, it may delay, but know it. Save this chart. Save this chart. BNB is going to $1,000. BNB is going to $1,000, but I don't know how fast it will happen. Even if we see BNB drop to this level again, it doesn't matter. So that's why I always advise to, in the business of cryptos, make it more of investment, because it is too volatile. It is too volatile. Somebody who have seen this and seen this is so scaring. That's what we call volatility. So get your mind prepared. BNB is going to $1,000. It may happen sooner than we expected. Litecoin is the wonder of the week. Litecoin is the new wonder we have this time around. The strength we see on Litecoin is amazing. The strength we see on Litecoin is simply amazing. You know, Litecoin have been lagging together, but at least we have now have the proof that this is wave one, and wave two has come to an end. So I don't think that wave two will go deeper than this. Remember, this is a daily chart; it's a long time trading. So where is Litecoin heading to? Litecoin is heading to $600. Litecoin is heading to $600. It may happen fast, it may tarry. So, but Litecoin is heading to $600. Once we come back to 410, then we may have some corrections. Then boom, we go to 600. So this is one of the coins that have been there in the market and is still there, and will still be there tomorrow. So That's all I can say. I'm only showing you mostly daily charts, because that is where we will see where the market is heading to. Altcoin is heading to $600. You will okay now. You can see I'm snapping all these charts. Why am I saying so? I want to have the charts so that I will always come to it and see what is happening there. Okay, so if you are on my Telegram channel, I will upload. Let me see here. I will upload these charts, so you save them for a reference in future. Doge. Doge is equally just like others. Doge is equally going up. Let me go to 4 hours. 4 hours is where we will see something better on Doge. For those who understand the Elliott Wave, this is ABC and this is the complete structure. You know, because of time, I cannot label all these charts, because this is A, this is B, and this is C. And it means correction is over. So expect this type of move here. So what is our next target on Doge? Doge, our next target is for 0.5, 0.45 is where we target next before going higher. So once Doge breaks this new high, new current high anyway, we are going back to where it came from. And once it breaks there, it keeps going up. So why am I showing you all this is that you know that coins are going up. You may have another little correction, something like this might happen before this will happen. So it doesn't matter. It may happen, it may not happen. But bear in mind, correction is over on Doge. So we are now moving on. Next is ETN. On ETN, ETN is one of the coins that are lagging. But you can see after doing this, it now shows some strength. You can see how let's go to 4 hours to see what it's trying to do to be exit of what we are looking for on ETN. ETN is behaving like a repo. Coins with so much expectation, but they're lagging behind. But right now we are seeing signs of bullish move. You know, so what do we expect here to happen? Two things. One, this correction on the this is a bullish move. This correction, either it is over or it is A, this is B, then C. So this is what I mean. You may have, it may just do something like this, and do something like this. It may end here, which is running flat. It may end here, which is expanding flat. So we are expecting either running flat or expanding flat before moving up. What does that mean? If this move doesn't continue, we may get either running flat or expanding flat. So all these terminologies, if you don't understand them, you may join our class. And I've said before that now I have time to teach, and my charges is small. Make use of this opportunity Time will come where I not have time to even make an analysis, not of teaching anybody. So make opportunity when you have it. Okay. So all these things are simple to understand if you have a good teacher. And by the grace of God, I believe I'm a good teacher because I know how to teach. So watch out, either running flat or expanded flat, then we are going back to 0.2. 0.02 on ETN. Ada, ADA, that is Cardano. ADA is another coin that we do what the BNB did. You see BNB, you see ADA, you see Ethereum. These three coins, never go to them. ADA now is making minor correction. So what do we expect from ADA? This is this type of move. This is correction. This is 3 weeks correction. Wait end here, or wait to make a bigger correction. Now, this is what I mean by that. I mean this might be the end, the B, C, or this can be W, X, Y. Then this is A. Then we may have something like this. It will become B. Then you have something like this. It will become C before the big move. In any case, if you are trading on margin on ADA, here is a stop loss. Even if you buy from here, it may drop before going up. If you are trading on margin, just buy and forget. Maybe in a few months' time, or if it delay 6 months to 1 year, you make a good profit on that. Okay, so that's what we are looking at on ADA. And that is moving very fast. Okay, where are we? What are our expectations on ADA? So are they prepared for that? Let me check the chart again. So know if I can give you a projection on ADA. Let me try to we have already. So we are going to this is where we are going on ADA. Watch out for this level. Watch out for $5. ADA is going to $5. That's what we have for ADA. $5 is our next target. So because of that, our next target is $5. Now we are on $3 area, trying to break it. Once it is broken, watch out for $3. Sorry, $5. That is for ADA. Remove SHIBA. SHIBA will someday move, but right now, SHIBA is performing below expectation. Okay, SHIBA is performing below. From my own judgment, SHIBA is performing below expectation, but there's something good here. What is that thing that is good? We may call it 5 waves correction. That is W, X, Y, X, Z. So it's a complete correction. So we are expecting SHIBA to come to this level. But ultimately, let me go to daily. Ultimately, SHIBA is going to 40113. That is 1,130 Satoshi. That's where SHIBA is going. This is where SHIBA is going. Once it breaks this level, watch out for 1113. That is 0.00040. So SHIBA is going to cancel 10 very soon and keep going. Okay, so if you have your SHIBA, don't sell. Let me start to talk again. You know, if you have your SHIBA, don't sell your SHIBA out of fear. Don't panic, sell your SHIBA. If you like, you sell. But I know those some friends of mine, I want not to sell their coin. They think I don't know what I'm saying. Today they are regretting. I'm telling you again today, if you have SHIBA, don't panic and sell your SHIBA. You know, you don't give me any part of your profit. I don't demand for that because I too make my own profit. So, but I want you to make profit as well. There no need you sell your coin, and the next month or next week or next 2 months, you see it making 300% movement. So what do you get? Regret. So sell not your SHIBA. Okay. I move OKB. It will be likely the last coin we have touched. And whenever you see Bitcoin, you see Ethereum, you see BNB going up. Other coins, other established coins, you know, there's so many shit coins out there. Hope you know. But other established coins, we always follow these coins and go up. So I will not show you all the coins anyway, but I have shown you much. Okay, I remember when I was making this analysis, I said there's a possibility that the correction have ended here, or it may still come back to this level. But the worst is that it will come to this blue box. Okay, so we always give room for second option. Now this correction is over. OKB just going up. Don't know how else to tell you this. OKB is now going up. Don't know and I'm not going to lose than this. OKB is now going up. Okay, so let me give you a projection. Oh, okay. I even have a blue box here. I don't know. So already we have a projection on OKB. We already have a projection. Let me make a better view of it. So here is where we projected OKB is going. So that is our next target on OKB. Okay. So watch out for $36 on OKB. 36, 38, 34, 35, 36, 38, and so on. So OKB is going to $35 to $38. That's the next move, next target on OKB. So I said that will be the last coin we are talking about. Other coins are going up, IOTA, KCS, Theta, Stellar, they're all going up. So let me make this coin and the first other things. This will be some indices and the indexes and some few stocks. So let me try to cover much because I couldn't do much last time. So I'm stopping right now. Thank you for watching.